Hi, my name is Greg Palya. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. So spray polyurethane foam, what is it? Spray foam is a liquid substance that gets sprayed onto a roof that expands into an inch, inch and a half of thickness. So really, in simplest form, it's liquid that expands into a foam on a roofing system. R value is the level of thermal that passes through an object. R value with spray polyurethane foam is about a 6.6. Has the highest of any roofing material available. And it saves energy because, it's more like temperature control, so I'll write that down. It keeps the heat from escaping in the wintertime, and it keeps the cool from escaping in the summertime. So it's more temperature control. The next thing is you're gonna start off cooler. Most roofs we see have a black roof, very hot in the summertime. Temperatures get very hot there, but with spray foam with a lighter gray material, you're gonna start off a lot cooler. And the last thing is, your HVAC unit. So any chance you can keep the HVAC unit from working as hard as it does, you're gonna save money to keep that thing running. And the last thing, I have some examples here. The one I have off the bat is we installed a spray polyurethane foam roof at a Flying J restaurant, and it's open 24 hours a day, so energy is constantly pumping through, and we're saving them about $1,700 a month in energy savings. There's more examples on our website and certainly in the blog that's below in the description. So if you want to click there and go check that out, you're more than welcome to. But just real quickly, energy savings and spray foam roofs. Thank you so much. Hope you learned something new. Have a great day.